Hey everybody, Ricky here with Apple Valley Farm. It is a typical fall day here in the south. It's about, 70 degrees, and the humidity is like 125%. It's crazy. I'm sweating out here in the fall. Nevertheless, we're here to show you some amazing woodworking videos. Alright, so most of you know that we make a lot of cornhole boards, and most of our cornhole boards have a birch top, which is kind of the preferred plywood in the game. This is an oak top. I had to get oak because that's all the plywood they had down at Home Depot, so I got this. I have no idea why we don't use oak. It is heavy, but it is a beautiful wood, and we're about to put some poly on this now and see what it does to it. So with that, not knowing, let's just do it. Let's see what happens. All right, just so you know, we're using some Varathane water-based polyurethane. This is the only polyurethane that we use. Why? Because I like it, that's why. A lot of people want to know why we use a water-based polyurethane. Well, number one, it is easier to clean up, it does dry faster, and frankly, I'm lazy. I'm lazy and it just dries faster, and I like that. So it helps us really move stuff through the shop. So we're using the Varathane Ultimate Polyurethane Water-Based Crystal Clear Gloss. Interior. That's all we need. So the first thing we want to do is hit all the exposed edges. That means in the hole and around the edges. I'll let that dry. Then when I do the face, as it dries, I'll come back and do the edges again so they get a double coat, because these are the most exposed areas as far as moisture goes. All right, another overview of this beautiful wood. Wow, I really like this. Again, I can't imagine why we don't traditionally use oak in cornhole board tops. It is a gorgeous wood. Look at the grain. My goodness. That is gonna be just stunning when it is finished. Wow, I am so glad we did this. Well, and just like that, we're done. Wow, I'm really glad that we did this. Thank you guys for being here with me and taking a look at this. It's the first time, as I said, we've ever used oak for cornhole board tops, but this was by accident. I would say it's by accident. It was by fate that we wound up doing it, just because of availability of the plywood. But I'm happy with this. I think we're going to do this again the next time, maybe on purpose. So hey, and as I said, if anybody has any input as to why we don't use this, why do we use birch as kind of like the default thing? Why is that the standard in cornhole boards? Why do we not use maple or oak or some other veneer? I don't know why we don't, but I'd be curious to know that. So I'm gonna see if I can find out, and I'm gonna see what you can tell me too. So let me know what you think. Thanks a lot for being here, and we'll have more like this the next time we do it. See you.